Howdy, folks!
Hello.
So, us all burned up in the fire. Yeah! We're doing a muffler install, and we're using hand tools.
And you haven't even saw the $100 buy we got.
Oh, and we've done what? 3, 4, 5 different blade changes, or
I think 4 already.
And we might as well just show them what we've got. For this fabulous 98, is it?
98.
Chevy Monte Carlo. We're getting rid of the old junker muffler. So there we go. We got it all cut off, nice and nice.
By hand.
By hand. So it should be nice and finished. And then we got the hangers to go. And then that muffler you saw. Yeah. Alrighty. Now here comes the struggle. Oh, we should actually open the blocks. We haven't even opened the blocks. Well, since this is your car, you do the honors. Oh, there we go.
Nice and shiny, pristine for a $100 rust bucket.
Oh yeah, and we cannot forget the sticker, Mike.
And the sticker that will eventually go on the back bumper.
Yeah!
It's almost too nice for the car.
Oh God. Well, you know, when you buy white trash vehicles, you get white trash ideas.
Yep. Oh, and all of this, with the piping, came to $63.
Down at the local farm and fleet store. Yeah!
So it's an upgrade anybody can do.
Your budget car needs a budget exhaust, and you ain't got any friggin' power tools? Well,
Here's what it sounds like with the resonator.
yeah.
Muffler cut off.
Sounds like the finest derby cars in America.
That ain't white trash enough for you, I'm sorry.
Alright.
My GMC's at home.
No, we need to get an old Dodge pickup or old Ford that's halfway rusted out, and then okay, PB Blaster. Put that on the list. PB Blaster, yay! America's favorite libation. It even says it on the can. Here, Mike. Shoot them babies down on the muffler side. And then you're gonna need a screwdriver to pry it apart. Wedge it in there and pop back. I'm sorry, I don't own that fancy tool that Lyle makes to make this whole job like easy as pie.
Redneck on a budget.
Redneck on a budget muffler install. Part 1, take 1.
Sorry it's not refined like your sales.
Oh, yeah, just pull. Yep.
go. Comes right out. Makes a PV blaster.
Yay!
Look at the hole in the muffler. Sold him that big old piece of shit that's been in there since 98.
It's 1998.
Vintage. Anybody want to buy it? Sell these for the low price of 1 beer.
Anybody wants it, leave a comment down in the description. We'll figure out how to ship it to you. For the low cost of 1 beer and the price of shipping.
We'll even sign it on a paint marker for you.
Oh yeah! And until such time, it's going to be around inside my garage.
Look at this shit, Chris.
Shall I get the people?
Yep.
I shall get the people.
That's shit you get when you buy a $100.98 car.
Oh my god, rusted thing.
It's pretty.
It's pretty. Ooh, and we did a nice cut on that actually.
Yeah.
Well, you did most of the cutting, so
Well, you started it.
I started it, so
I'm just good at jerking it, okay?
Is that because your wife is always asleep when you get home?
Yep. Jerking, fall asleep for the 4 hours I get.
If y'all don't know, Mike works like 80 hours a week. Now, I could have brought 20 grand worth of welding equipment that I own back over to the house. I could have fired up my engine drive and had this all welded out in about half hour. But since we're doing this on the budget side, exhaust clamps are what we're going to use. Yay! Do you want to do first fitting?
Sure.
And I'm going to need the nuts. Because that should actually just slide right onto the pipe.
Yeah.
That we cut. No, I'm wondering if we have to cut that one section of pipe off the end of that.
For the tip when we get there.
Uh-huh.
For now, we'll just let it run out of the muffler.
Just right into the bumper.
Yup. Melt the bumper.
Hell, it sounded like you had some flame coming out, too.
It did.
No, let's see. I do believe that these are...
That's what it would sound like a Prius was hooked up to this. I'll get closer so you can all hear.
Yeah, we like American muscle, so if you're a Prius lover, please find another channel.
Sorry, we're not sorry.
Yay! Alright, I gotta find us a wrench.
Oh, it slides right on.
Oh boy! Awesome. Alrighty. Now, what you want to do... Yeah, which... Okay.
This is too good for this car.
White trash away! Alrighty, let's try and get the people down here. Yeah. Heck, we'll keep the stand up and we'll go like this with the people.
We're just refining the white trash sound quality.
Oh yeah. I ain't first class, but I ain't white trash. But, you know, I mean, this is the white trash special, so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now you want to make sure you got it on a piece of pipe that you know that you're going to have both clamping force on both sides. Alrighty. Now if y'all don't subscribe and like this, well, I'm sorry, but
It must be no fun.
no fun, and
I'm sorry we didn't go to college for this shit, so we might be kind of boring for you, but
I know some guy in a muffler shop is gonna go like, what the hell were those two thinking by doing that? Why did they do that? Why didn't they just do this and that? And I'm thinking to myself, yeah, I could have done this the right way, because, you know, between the two of us, we have the right equipment. But this is for a budget guy. This is for the guy that, you know, is going to be doing this in a driveway in a weekend. And the whole thing is that when you actually look into it, the newer vehicles, this is the way they install exhaust systems. Anyway, so kind of buzz off on me then.
and I'm sorry I'm not holding the camera real well, but I can't see the screen, so if you're not getting the right picture, I'm sorry in advance.
Alright. Okay. Actually, I think that the people have gotten a good picture of it. Yay. Focus. Yeah. Yay.
Sweetness.
Sweetness. Now let's find out how well it sounds. Yep. Yep. Oh yeah, it's nice. Oh yeah.
Brody.
So what do you think, Mike? In the video here?
Yeah, until next time.
Yeah. Comment, rate, subscribe. Sorry if it's not what we normally do.
Like it.
Like it.
Like it, learn it, love it.
See you on the next one.